Donald Trump nominates Wall Street's leading investor as Treasury Secretary. U.S. President-elect Donald Trump announced on November 22 that he would nominate Scott Bessent, a prominent Wall Street investor, as Treasury Secretary. The decision is seen as a boon for the financial sector thanks to his focus on tax reform and the reduction of regulations that Trump considers unnecessary. Scott Bessent, an expected pick. At 62, Scott Bessent is considered one of the world's leading international investors with extensive experience in finance and geopolitical strategy. His appointment has been hailed by experts, many of whom expect his deep understanding of the market to help mitigate the risks of strict tariff policies that some investors fear. Other potential candidates for the position include Mark Rowan, CEO of Apollo Global Management, and former Federal Reserve Governor Kevin Warsh. Famed investor John Paulson was also considered but withdrew, while Howard Lutnick, another candidate, was appointed to lead the Commerce Department. Scott is widely respected as a brilliant investor, as well as a brilliant economic and geopolitical strategist, Trump said. The role and the big challenge. As Treasury Secretary, Bessent will be responsible for many important aspects of the U.S. economy. From collecting taxes and spending the national budget, he will oversee the $28.6 trillion debt system and ensure the stability of the financial system. One of his main tasks is to implement international financial policies, including managing major organizations such as the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and the World Bank, as well as screening foreign investment for national security reasons. However, Bessent will face significant challenges. The U.S. federal budget deficit is on the rise, expected to exceed $8 trillion in the near future. Balancing public spending and controlling public debt will be a difficult problem for him to solve. In addition, he also has to inherit the responsibility of leading the G7 group in international economic support programs, especially aid to Ukraine. However, with Mr. Trump's view of wanting to quickly end the war and cut financial support for Ukraine, the future of these policies may change. Reaction and outlook. Analysts say that the appointment of Scott Bessent is a strategic move to consolidate support from Wall Street, while bringing stability to the market in the context of the power transition. With extensive experience, Mr. Bessent is expected to bring creative financial policies and flexible negotiating skills to face challenges at home and abroad. However, whether he can balance the Trump administration's priorities with the real needs of the global market and economy remains a big question. Many believe that his role will not only be to promote U.S. economic policies, but also have a major impact on international financial relations in the future.